This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your browser and going to the Apple ID creation page. Once there, you choose Create Your Apple ID. Make sure the email you enter is one you control because Apple sends a verification code. Enter your full legal name and birth date to meet age and security requirements. Pick a strong password that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it's unique so you avoid reuse vulnerabilities. Save your recovery phone number now because it speeds account recovery later. Once you submit your basic details, Apple will send a verification code to the email or phone you provided. Enter that code immediately to continue. Next, set 2 or 3 security questions, answer them accurately and store the answers in a password manager because you'll need them for identity checks. When prompted, enable 2-factor authentication for better account protection. It uses a trusted device or phone number. Finally, read the terms quickly. Choose whether to receive Apple News and proceed to finalize the account. You finish by signing into iCloud or the Apple services on your PC using the new Apple ID. Make sure sync settings match your preferences. If you plan to buy apps or media, add a payment method later to avoid accidental charges. Now test 2-factor by signing out and back in to confirm recovery methods work. If you don't receive a verification code, check spam and blocked folders, then resend. If that fails, clear your browser cache or try another browser and repeat the verification step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.